Your favorite delivery man. Most of you here know me. Delivering from, we started. My job here today is to remind you, come next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, is Prime Day. This is the day you get the best discount, the best offers, the best deals. So, normally I watch some football when it come on to Sunday evening. I may go and take in a little cricket. But for you, you're gonna sit back, relax, go on Amazon, put all you can in that basket, and come Tuesday and Wednesday, just press buy. And guess what? I will be here to deliver it right to your feet.
I get the thing there for Prime Day.